What's going on YouTube? Nicholas here with Tech Love TV, where we don't discriminate and we believe all tech deserves some love. So today I have the Jabra Elite 75Ts, and before these dropped, the previous versions, the whole line of the 65Ts, the 65T Active, the 65T Elites, I was getting requests to do those I don't know how many times, but I decided not to do the original 65T simply because they were out for a little bit and I was waiting for these to drop to do a review on this. But I did do a review, I believe it was, I'll put that YouTube card right here. And now I have the 75T Elites. And let me tell you something. If you are in the market for some earbuds, hands down, in my opinion, I will pick these over the Galaxy Buds Plus. I will pick these over the Apple AirPods Pro. In my opinion, these are a go for sure.
I want to see some love. It's love day. I'm sure people love out here on the court.
So these Elite 75Ts, they go for $180 right now. And as always, I'll put the link in the description down below. And they do come in 3 different colors. You have a black, you have a titanium in black, and you have a beige in gold. Going around this box, you can see it says tested for secure fit. The previous Jabras that I reviewed on this channel, which I believe were the fit was just horrible. I mean, they sounded really good, but the fit, I just couldn't find a sweet spot with those. But for these, I believe that Jabra did listen to their consumers and they have really improved the fit on these, which I will get to in a little bit. 4 mic call technology to improve call quality, up to 28 hours of total charge time. So you'll get a 7.5 hour playback time on a single charge, and the case will charge your earbuds up around 3 additional times for a total of 28 hours. On the back side of the box, it says proven wireless connection. Again, 4 mic call technology. It gives you the battery life, customize your music, 2-year warranty against dust and water. And there's also an app for this. It's the Jabra Sound Plus app. And I'm telling you right now, I think it's as good or better than Sony's app that they provide for their line of headphones. And you can find this app on Google Play or the App Store. So that's pretty much it for the contents on the outside of the box. So let's go ahead and unbox this and see exactly how these look. So you'll get a slide out case, very nice presentation. Jabra really does a very good job in that, and I appreciate that. And it says welcome to superior sound. It has a cutout right here. It shows you the earbuds right on top. And here it is, people. You have your case on top, you have your earbuds in the middle, and in this box right here you have your USB Type-C charging cable, additional earbuds. You do have 2 different earbuds that you can replace, so that's a total of 3 earbuds altogether. And then you also have your warning and declarations manual, which I'm not going to get into because they have an app, and I believe all that information is inside the app as well. And oh yeah, I did forget to mention that a 15-minute charge will give you an additional 1 hour of listening and playback time, but I could not find how long it takes to charge this case up, so I'm just guessing that it couldn't be more than 2 hours max. Charge this case and your earbuds up completely. Don't quote me on that, and if I'm wrong, feel free to check me in the comments down below. The only downside that I do not like about this charging case is that it is not a wireless charging case. I mean, I can do without it. It's cool with me, but I know some people might not like that. You do have your USB Type-C port on the back side with the indicator light. And something that I know Jabra switched from their previous line of earbuds to the 75T line is that they made the case on here magnetic, and if you go on the website, they actually point that out so that you know about that. On the inside of this charging case, you do get like a nice soft silicone feel, something different. I haven't felt that in any other earbud case before. Every other case is just like a simple plastic. And that's pretty much it for the charging case. Small, light, compact. You will not get any kind of discomfort if you slip these in your pocket. They're very comparable in size to the AirPods Pro and the Galaxy Buds Plus, if you are familiar with those as well. And here are the earbuds right here. Now, the first thing that I did notice when I took these earbuds out of the box, I could not believe how comfortable these things were. It is a very slim profile. They don't stick out too much. I do like that about these, so you're not walking around looking like Frankenstein. And then also, you have physical buttons on the outside of these earbuds, which I do like. I'm not really into the whole touch feature on any type of earbuds, headphones included, I like physical buttons because I don't like to deal with that accidental touch that could happen with the touchpad on earbuds. And also, like I said before, you do have the 4-mic technology on here that helps with call quality, and I do believe it helps with the pass-through sound. I don't know if they call it pass-through, hear-through, ambient. I don't know. I'll get into that in the app, which will fully go over that as well. You do see these mic grills on the outside. I do believe that's where the additional mics are housed. That's pretty much it. You do have an all plastic design, and I don't know if these are sensors on the inside right here to let them know if they're in your ears or not, but I will test that out when I do test out the sound quality on these. But overall, I'm loving these earbuds right here. And another thing, these are IP55 rated, so they're dust proof and water resistant. I believe the IP55 rating is their lowest rating. You can deal with maybe like getting away with working out with these, a light sweat or maybe a light drizzle in the rain, but that might be as far as it goes if you want to keep these from getting broken. Okay, so the first thing you want to do when you get these earbuds, like I said before, is download the Jabra Sound Plus app. It will automatically look for new earbuds, but what I always do first is that I go to my Bluetooth settings and then I look to connect via my Bluetooth settings first, and then I go back to the app. I think that's kind of backwards from what they want you to do, but it seems to work for me, and I do that on other earbuds as well. Okay, so I put these in my ears, and as soon as I put these in my ears, they go into a Bluetooth pairing mode, and as you can see right here, the Jabra Elite 75T is listed at the bottom. And she's saying in my ears to connect, go to the Bluetooth menu and click on the Jabra Elite name. So I'm gonna click on that, and then it says connected. It did take a little bit longer than I expected, but it's still connected. And so now going back to the app, I'm going to hit pair, and then it's going to pair this to here. As you can see, it says identifying connection, headset has been updated. And there are multiple software updates that you might have to go through when you are first connecting to these earbuds. So as soon as you get these earbuds and you have them connected to your phone, go ahead and download the software as soon as possible and keep these earbuds updated. So inside of this app, and I'm going to quickly run through this app because I will be doing another video going fully in depth inside this app. When you open this up, as you can see at the very bottom, you do have 4 different icons. You have moments, headset, discover, and about. The moment icon, you do have Jabra Elite 75T left and right, and it shows your battery percentage. The gear icon, if you click on that, you got sound modes, music equalizer, audio experience, call experience, headset assistant, and reset moment to Jabra default. You have your hear through sound right here, so you can click on that, and then you can actually set the level that you want that at. So I'm going to keep that on right now because it actually helps me hear a little bit better when I'm making this video. So you also have your music equalizer right here, which you can customize whatever you want, or you have presets right here. You have soundscapes. And then on the left side, you also have 3 more icons. The first one is My Moments. The second one is Commute. It shows a picture of a train. And the third one is a guy sitting at a desk. And it means focus. And you can set these exactly how you want to, so you can switch to either one depending on what you're doing. And you can add different widgets as well. And if you add different widgets, you can add every single one, or you can just pick and choose what you want. The next icon at the bottom is headset, and it will give you information about the headset, check firmware, voice assistant, register, find your Jabra, voice guidance, rate Jabra Elite 75Ts, guides and manuals, and it has a picture of your earbuds at the top with your battery percentage as well. Okay, so I thought that it would show you the button functions inside of here, but they do not show you the button function, so I have to go inside of the guides and manuals to actually show you the button function. I wish if you just clicked on guides and manuals and a quick start guide, it will show you exactly the button functions right here, but they do not show you that. So what I'm going to do is go inside the guides and manuals real quick, and I'm going to show you the actual button functions. So okay, so here are the button functions right here, which I had to find in the manual. I thought that they would show that like at a quick start guide inside the app, but I had to actually go to the user manual. So for the right earbud, 1 tap will play and pause your music and it answer your phone calls. If you double tap the right earbud, that will reject your phone calls. If you press and hold the right button, it will turn the volume up. If you double press the right button when not on a call, that will activate your voice assistant. And for the left earbud, if you press the left earbud not on a phone call, so listen to music, it will activate the hear through. If you press and hold the left button, that will turn the volume down. If you double press the left button while listening to music, it will go to the next track. If you triple press the left button, it will go to the previous track. If you press the left button on a call, it will mute and unmute your microphone. And if you double press the left button on a call, it will turn side tone on and off. And so the next tab at the bottom is your Discover tab, and this will give you various updates. You can also do Find My Jabra on here, register your product, share your opinion, and you can rate this app. And then also about, it says Buy Jabra Online, contact support, tech info, rate this app, privacy and legal disclaimer. And that's pretty much a quick run through of the app. And like I said before, I will be doing a full in-depth video on this app at a later date because I just believe that it deserves its own video. So okay, so now that I have these earbuds hooked up to my phone, what I'm going to do is play some music and test out the sound quality on these. Okay, so let me tell you this right now. If you are a bass head and you are looking for earbuds, these earbuds are for you. So if you're in the market for earbuds and you are a bass head, I do highly recommend these. The highs on these, the highs are very good, but you can actually inside the app customize that to exactly where you want it. But in my opinion, some of the presets might have the highs just go a little bit too loud, but you can customize it like I said before and then get that very nice mix of highs, mids and lows exactly where you want it. So shouts out to Jabra for having one of the best apps in the market to be able to customize your sound. I love that you did that for these, and it makes the sound quality just that much better than a lot more earbuds that I've tested on this channel. There is no active noise cancellation in here. There is only the hear through mode, but when you have the hear through mode turned off, these do create very good passive noise isolation. So the ear tips on these block out a lot of the ambient sound. I don't know if it's just the way my ears are shaped, but these do a great job of blocking out all the ambient sound. And when you have these turned up all the way, you're not going to hear anything creeping in anyways. One thing that I also like to mention about these earbuds is that you are able to listen to one earbud at a time, but it's only the right one. I do not like that. I wish you can just pick and choose whichever one you want to do, but that's not the case with these. So Jabra, on your next version, hopefully that you get more advanced and you allow the consumer to do that. Also, they do have an automatic shut off. So if you are listening to music, you take one earbud out, either one, it'll automatically cut your music off. So that's everything I have about the sound quality on here. Call quality is in stereo, both earbuds. I can't remember if on the 65T line, if it was only in one, but definitely on these, it's in both ears, which I do like. And the 4-mic technology is just amazing in any environment that you can think of. I mean, not like if you're going through a tornado or a hurricane, something like that, but in a loud environment, walking through a city, no more ambient traffic noise and stuff like that, you will be able to carry on a conversation with great call quality, and I didn't expect anything less from Jabra. They have been in the game for over 150 years, working and perfecting on the sound quality and the call quality. So you will not go wrong if you get these and you want to just have these as your daily drivers and definitely utilize them for the call quality. Okay, so for the latency test, everything I tested: YouTube, Netflix, Amazon Prime Video, Disney Plus, Apple TV Plus, everything that I tested, there were no latency issues on that. So huge shout out to Jabra for making sure that your consumers aren't experiencing any latency when it comes to these, because that is a big drawback for some of your consumers out there, but you do a very great job of making sure that there is no latency issues with these. So my final thoughts on these: you got great sound, great design with comfort. I love the physical buttons. You have one of the most advanced apps for any earbuds. Great call quality, USB Type-C charging. You get that fast charging. But the only thing that I do not like about these earbuds, which is not a showstopper for me, is no wireless charging. Maybe on the next version of these, you'll get wireless charging, but as of right now, Jabra Elite 75Ts do not have any wireless charging. And that's all I got, people. This is the Jabra Elite 75Ts. If this is your first time here and you found value in this video in any way, go ahead and smash that subscribe button down below. And don't forget, hit that bell icon so you get notifications on when I drop my latest tech video. Thanks for stopping by the Tech Love channel. My name is Nicholas, and I'm out. Peace.